Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue creating React hooks, and if you didn't see my last video you can go to my channel, and in the last video we created useFetch, and today we're going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create useInput hook. This hook will help us manage input fields in our forms easily. Okay, let's start by creating our custom useInput hooks. First, we created new file. We can name useInput, and it will be JS file. And next we need to import useState, because for create this hook we need only one useState. Import useState from React and create our hook. Create new const, use input, and also we need to add argument initialize value. Create this argument and create arrow function. Okay, and we need to create state for our value. Create new const and using destructurization create value and set value. Okay, and using our useState hook, default will be using initialize value. Okay, and next we need to create a function to change our value. We can name this function handle change. And add argument, it will be our event, correct this mistake, and inside we'll be using our set value and using our event target value. Okay, and in the next we need to create return. Will be return object with two properties, value, and also we return on change. We'll be using our handle change. Okay, and correct, and also add. Okay, and next we need to export our hook using export. Now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Let's create some forms using form tag and using event on submit, and create some function for submit. Create handle submit. Okay, and add event. Okay, and using this function here. Okay, next let's create some inputs. Create first input, it will be name, type text and also add placeholder, enter your name. Okay, and do the same for email. And also create button. Type submit. Also add text for our button. Okay, and now we can use our hook for works with our inputs. Let's create two variables. First we create name, input, import our hook, and next we add email, input, and again using our hook, but default we can add empty string. Okay, and now we need to connect our hooks to our inputs. Let's using destructurization, name variable for name, input, and also do the same for email. Okay, let's look at the window. And also add some logic to our handle submit. First we need to switch off default browser behave using prevent default, and let's add print using console log and create text, name, plus name input value, and change our variable. Okay, and let's look at the window. First let's update our page. Okay, now let's try to submit our form. Add name, we can use anything, we can use James, and add email. And let's click submit. Like you see, it's work okay. And let's compare this approach with approach when we don't using this hook. We need to do the same, but we also need create toState, email set email and we also need add two arguments, value and we always need to using onChange and create function and using event target value inside our HTML. I think this approach is more clearly when we're using hook, and also we don't need to repeat the same code like onChange, but you can using what you like more. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.